bond duration. Let me ask all of you as to what do you think is bond duration? What do you think is bond duration? And again, what is the utility of bond duration in case of bond valuation or in case of decision making in the context of fixed income securities? So these are the two questions for all of you. Ankit is saying time to maturity of bond. Is that duration? Okay, Ankit, fine. Let's see what others have to say. And remember, friends, these are the concepts, and these are so fine concepts that there is a natural tendency to get confused about them. So, when we say what is bond duration, our obvious impulse, our obvious impulse is to think that bond duration means tenure of the bond. Now remember, if bond duration was to mean tenure of the bond, then we will not talk in terms of calculating what is bond duration. Because tenure of the bond, you do not have to calculate. Tenure of the bond is given to you upfront. Bond duration you have to calculate. And therefore, it is important for every one of us to understand as to what is bond duration. Once we understand what is bond duration, then it will be easy for us to calculate how to calculate the bond duration. And once we know how to calculate the bond duration, we will be able to figure it out as to how the bond duration can be used for the purpose of decision making. And I would like, okay, Rajendra, you can please, okay, you can please speak out for the benefit of everyone. Rajendra.
The time at which you are making the investment
Mm-hmm.
and the time at which they are going to be redeemed,
Mm-hmm.
the difference between that two dates is the duration.
All
Bond
right.
duration.
Okay. Okay. Good. Prabhakar, you can please unmute and answer.
Duration of the bond means the return I will get during the duration. Return means the difference between the cost of capital and the return or my desired return. How much return I want to obtain from the bond. That
But
will be the duration of the bond.
but Prabhakar, how does it become duration? What you're answering, I can understand what you're answering, but how does it become duration? How does it become bonds duration?
Suppose I have to invest in say infrastructure bond.
Mm-hmm.
And I create a dam or road
Hmm.
and for generating electricity.
Hmm.
So I have issued a bond for that material or for that when the electricity will be generated
Mm-hmm.
or what will be the return. Everything I have to take into consideration. That will be the duration of the bond.
Okay, good. Rakesh, please answer. Unmute yourself and answer. Rakesh, you can unmute and answer. You can unmute and answer. Rakesh. Okay, anybody else? I just want one more answer before I start discussing as to what is bond duration, how to calculate it. And
Sir, it is weighted.
yes, Vicky, please go ahead.
Sir, it is the weighted average time until we receive the cash flow of the fixed income securities.
एक बार दोबारा से बोलो विकी.
सर ये कि वेटेज एवरेज टाइम है जिसमें आपने जो उसका जो इनका फिक्स इनकम सिक्योरिटीज का कैश फ्लो रिसीव करते हैं.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. थोड़ा बहुत सही बोल रहे हो, बहुत सही बोल रहे हो. थोड़ा सा एलेबोरेट करो, थोड़ा एलेबोरेट करो फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ एवरीबॉडी.
Sir, it is the weighted average time until we receive the cash flow of the bond.
Very good, very good, very good, very nice, Vicky, very good. Sardendu, please unmute yourself and answer.
Sir, I don't know the meaning of, I don't know the bond duration, but as per the dictionary meaning I am going, duration means the period within which something continues. That means that's why bond duration, what I understand, the period within which the bond is held by somebody. That is duration for me. But tenure means the total life of the bond. That I understand, sir, by the dictionary meaning of the words.
Okay, good. No, I'm really glad, whenever I'm asking all of you to respond, what is my objective? My objective is to invoke or incite the thought process, thinking process in the minds of every one of us. Remember, the real learning does not happen because someone is speaking. Real learning does not happen because someone is listening. The real learning happens when someone is speaking and someone is listening, and that someone who is listening is also thinking about it. So, by asking all of you to respond, it is my aim and objective to ensure that you are also simultaneously thinking. And I'm glad with the answers that all of you have given. Let us understand what is bond duration. And before we understand what is bond duration, let us understand, as a businessman, as a professional, if I'm running business, what is my objective? Whenever I'm taking a decision to make a fresh investment as a businessman, what is driving me? What is my objective? As a professional, whether as a company secretary in practice or company secretary in employment or a chartered accountant or a cost accountant, when I'm advising my company or when I'm advising my client with regard to a new capital expenditure decision, what is that I need to advise the company? Answer is, whether in the capacity of a businessman or in the capacity of a professional, what should drive me, or what is going to be my driving factor, what is going to be my main concern with regard to this new capital expenditure decision, कि जो मैं पैसा ये बिजनेस में लगा रहा हूँ वो पैसा मुझे कितने समय में वापस मिलेगा. That is what is driving me when I'm taking a capital expenditure decision. And I'm sure you can understand, earlier I get my money, better it is. Earlier I get my money, better it is. जितना जल्दी मुझे मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट रिकवर होके आएगा, so much better. जितना जल्दी आएगा उतनी कम रिस्क, isn't it? And that is my driver as a businessman or as a professional whenever I am making a capital expenditure decision. कितना जल्दी मेरा पैसा वापस आएगा. But remember, पैसा वापस आएगा कौन सा? And in what terms? Money that I will get back, not in nominal terms. Money that I will get in terms of present value. And why in terms of present value? Because I know it for sure. Now that we know, because being a professional, we know that the value of money is changing with the passage of time. So $100 dollar is not worth same as it is today 1 year from hence. $100 or $100 note is worth more today than it is 1 year down the line, 2 year down the line, 3 year down the line. So therefore, when I want to calculate as to how soon I am going to get my money back, I am not going to look at the cash flows in terms of nominal value. I am going to look at the cash flows in terms of present value. So what is duration? Duration is time taken. Duration is time taken in the recovery of my investment in terms of present value. यानी कि ये जो बॉन्ड मैं खरीद रहा हूँ, this bond that I am buying, this fixed income security that I am buying, this fixed income security is going to give me a cash flow. So मेरा पैसा लगेगा when जब मैं purchase करूँगा, so that is going to be my outflow. But over its tenure, it is going to give me inflow, and that inflow is going to be in the form of coupon, that is interest, and in the form of redemption value, that is the money that I will receive on the maturity date. So now this money which I am getting back, in what period this money recovers my original investment in terms of present value. That is, friends, duration. That is the bond duration. यानी कि in terms of present value जो मेरा investment है उसको payback होने में in terms of present value कितना समय लगता है, that is the bond duration. I am sure with this understanding and explanation every one of you would have got total clarity in your mind that the bond duration does not mean the tenure of the bond. Bond duration does not mean for what period a bond is held by someone. Bond duration means the time taken by the bond in recovering of the investment in terms of present value, and that is what the bond is.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yep. Please go ahead.
Excuse